Hello, my name is Dietmar Dörschlag. I'm a certified Atlassian business consultant with Valiantis, and we are the leading global platinum solution partner focused on the Atlassian ecosystem. Thank you so much for joining me today. I posted a video a couple of days ago which explored the power of using templates in the Atlassian ecosystem. The video is posted on our YouTube channel on July the 2nd, 2024. In this video, I showed you the power of using pre-built templates, actually more accurately referred to as blueprints that Atlassian provided in their suite of applications, which you can then use to build out a Confluence Space using consistent templates. What I want to focus in this presentation today is to go a step further and show you how you can actually build your own templates. So not just using blueprints that Atlassian provides, but actually creating your own templates. Now, for a long time, I was tasked with building up a very large IT project management office. What you see on the screen is the project management lifecycle methodology that we created. Every box here represents a template that covers the entire project lifecycle. We really believed in the power of using templates to ensure that project stakeholders create documents in a consistent manner, and we would have predictable outcomes. Now, there was one particular template that I really liked, and that was a document that we used to update our steering committee members every month when we presented important decisions for them. And we called this the steering committee update, and it was a template. So what I'm going to do in this presentation now is I'm going to show how easy it is to create a template or create actually exactly that template using the template functionality in a Confluence space. So in order to do that, let's navigate right into Confluence. In my instance that I spun up, I have a space and I called it the software upgrade project space. So what I'm simulating here is a situation where a team embarks on a very large comprehensive software upgrade. That project has a steering committee, and I want to create a template for the project manager to use to consistently, in a consistent manner, update the steering committee using this template that I just showed a minute ago. It's important to note that the ability to create project or space level templates is actually given to the space administrator. You do not need to be a Jira or Confluence, rather product administrator. You can also create global templates. They're also called blueprints. But what I'm demonstrating here is the ability for a space administrator to create a template used in that particular space. So in order to do that, I navigate to space settings. And then down here in the section look and feel, there's the template shortcut. Let's click on templates. And first of all, you see all the templates that were already created, right? If this is a global blueprint that Atlassian provides, it is listed under blueprints and templates. But what I can do here now is I can create a brand new template. So I'm clicking on create new template. And of course, I need to give this template a name. So I'm going to call this project steering committee update. And now what I'm simply doing is I'm copying the template that I showed you earlier, which again is this template. I just copy this template over into this page. Here's the template. We have project name, a capital project number, a portfolio number. You can, of course, easily link this with Jira. That's the power of Confluence, the close integration with Jira. We can bring lots of Jira data in here, but this is a template that has proven to be very successful for me, so I really like it. So it has a consistent manner in how we present information to our steering committee. Template is created, I click the Save button. Now the template will be created and it's now listed under User Created Templates. Now what I can do with this template is I can promote it. I can of course always edit it, and this is limited to the space administrator or anyone else that has been given the ability to edit user created templates, or I can of course delete the template. So when I'm promoting a template, templates you promote will appear in the featured and promoted category in the templates browser. So let's do that. I'm promoting the template. And now I'm creating a new page using that template. So um, under, under content, I click pages. I'm creating a new page. And down here, I have a box up where it shows me the templates. So where I can actually navigate to templates. So let's go to all templates. And I'm going to the featured section. And voila, here is my project steering committee template that I, as the space administrator, just created. And I now call this page PSC update July 3rd, 2024, and I can now fill in all information as per the template and then publish it. It's as easy as that. So in summary, it is not only possible in the Atlassian toolset demonstrated with Confluence to use templates that Atlassian provides to you. They're referred to as blueprints. It is very easy to create your own templates, create your own template library, which would then look something similar to the project lifecycle chart that I showed you earlier. You can promote those templates, you can tag those templates for easy searching, and you then ensure that your stakeholders use documents or create content, shared knowledge in your Confluence Space in a very consistent manner. Thank you very much for joining me today. I hope you found this information helpful. I will post another video which shows you and demonstrates the ability to create global templates, also referred to as blueprints, which would not only be restricted to a particular space, which was the subject of this video, but you can of course create global templates or global blueprints, which will then be available in any project. However, you need to be in the role of a Confluence product administrator because it's a global change. Stay tuned for the next video, and thank you so much for joining me today. If you have any questions, please reach out to us, dietmar.dörschlag@valiantes.com, and stay tuned to our YouTube channel where we always post up-to-date information about the Atlassian ecosystem. Thank you so much and have a great day.